What are you guys doing? Say hi to everyone. I know. Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Say hi, everybody. Say hi, Mama and Papa and Sissy.
Hi, Papa.
Say I miss you, Papa. Oh. You gonna give your baby brother a kiss?
Yeah.
Why not? Don't you love him? Show him a car. Hey, let him hold a car. Let him hold a car. You're a good sharer, aren't you? Look at him. Look at him. He wants a toy. Give him a toy. Alex, give him a toy. He's sad.
Mine car.
Yeah. Oh, let him see Mater. There, baby, you got a toy. Oh. He needs more than that. Let's end this.